For sure.
Yes, those got shipped out yesterday, so they will be arriving.
That's all I need. Spacers in here, unzinked. Thanks, Nate.
You got it. Yep.
I like working hard and doing things with my hands and stuff. And obviously I'm selling these parts, and so understanding like really what they are. And I worked in a shop for a while too, just basic stuff like oil changes and stuff. So doing these things, I really enjoy. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, we'll probably be good. You guys sure you got enough stuff on this trailer? I think you can fit some more.
Maybe if you guys were better salesmen.
Yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna go back to the office. So we're taking all the parts with and just doing the stainless install.
Okay. This is what you do all the time. You know, I can do that, I guess. If you guys have time, I can do it.
Okay.
There it is. I mean, that's what's handwritten in there, so I'm gonna assume that that is accurate.
Okay. Thank you.
Faster.
I'm under pressure.
Don't start singing. Do not start singing. Under pressure.
Are you guys gonna be in a shop or outside?
Probably outside.
Okay.
Which I'm personally more of a fan of.
Okay, see ya.
Well, have a good trip.
Thanks.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Especially with him.
Okay. There's the plate that goes in the bottom.
There's the funnel that goes up inside, and then the plate that goes
funnel that goes inside. Okay. Yep.
And then the meter housing goes on that, and there's some seals.
How you doing?
Howdy.
Hi.
Doug?
Doug, yes. Paul. Paul, nice to meet you.
Hi.
I'm Hope. Nice to meet you.
The metering box itself was replaced about 5-6 years ago.
Okay.
Kind of before I knew there was stainless steel around.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it was beautiful in the yard yesterday, and now it's a little breezy.
We're gonna have to disconnect any of the like cables and stuff that's like holding it in.
All right.
We'll have to take these tubes off, the hose clamps and stuff. This itself, we can leave it all together, and then we'll just drop it from the top. Yep. How about I just leave that in there? If you want to actually start taking off tubes,
I'll do it.
sweet. You may need to cut off some hose clamps.
Oh, wow.
If they're bad enough where they don't come off like that.
Okay.
I think you're beating my record right now.
All right. What's got here? Oh, ground drive.
Yep.
I thought you were gonna take the mirror housing out of the thing, the ground drive agitators off that thing.
Put the thing on the thing. I think you just beat my record at taking off tubes.
Shoot, that means I'm off to too good of a start and I can't keep up with it.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, you're telling me to go down there and take that off?
Oh, if you want to. You just said you wanted to go in.
Which one? The one on this tube?
The one that's like horizontally going through the tube.
Go in there, you can direct me. Okay. It's the coolest. What stinks in here?
Here, give this a go. See if this will break it.
Wait, break it?
Yeah, loose. Break it loose.
What do you want me to hit it with this?
No, like put that, put the socket on there.
Okay.
Try this.
It's not getting on the thing.
I can grab you a hammer.
On the bolt. Alright, I'll take a Starbucks 20 ounce, please.
Okay.
Americano. Straight, no cream. Did you get it? You're gonna want to do it to the rest of your machine now. Look at how pretty it is. I actually am very impressed. I'm done down here, Paul. Just gonna eat some snacks now. Finished my job about 10 minutes ago. So we're just waiting on you. Whenever you're ready. Unbelievable. Did it break anything? Did it break anything? Done. Woo! Success! You did it? I mean, you got it, Dan. You got it, Dan, over that. Where are you going from?
See this top plate?
Okay, yeah.
On top of here.
On it. Same side as you? Oh, this is fun. Oh, man.
Oh, actually, this might.
Does it just drop?
Yeah. That's how it works. Just like that.
Go. Woo! Did it! Yeah.
Just cut the funnel instead of trying to get this thing out.
What's this we talk here?
Now,
I feel like this is your responsibility.
Hope gets to try to get this out.
I actually did think it was threaded, but they're not, huh? So,
Well, these should be. So
okay.
the bolt is, the hole isn't.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter.
It makes sense then that you should be able to punch it out, right? That makes sense. How does the ladder come out of there, you know? Like, maybe if we just tug the thing out.
Oh, man. You feel that in your bones. Another piece. Yeah, that was intentional. Maybe that's just what we'll do. Okay, we'll just do that.
Not at all. It is not going at all. You're hitting me in the head with something.
Sorry.
You say that. I just don't know.
You try to avoid that. Oh, but you're down.
Oh.
That's why we have the yellow
Maybe
guide.
I can. Oh, no. Okay. I'm just gonna go like this though, anyways. Okay.
Okay. Yep. Oh. There we go.
Hey, there it is.
Okay.
Now,
How about we take a cookie break? Another WD-40.
I already ate my cookie.
So this thing is the upper, well, it's part of a ladder funnel that has become one with the ladder. Maybe.
Yeah.
Let's try twisting it out again.
Yeah, that sounds good. I believe that this will work.
Alright. So right now we are trying to separate. These are the here, I'll show you the new one. Those are these pipe things that were on the old one.
Yep.
And so they've mated with this.
Do you mean bonded?
Yes.
Did you bring any fire with?
Do anything? It doesn't feel like it. Yeah, a little bit.
There we go.
Good job. Got it though. That's the thing. Now we're gonna have this up and in no time at all. That's what they tell me.
I'd like to replace this unit, and I can always do that in there, but let's knock the bolts off out here.
Looks like it's gonna be a little easy.
Fair enough.
I'll just park this to the side, just in case.
How much are you wanting to take off?
Why don't we just, that looks pretty...
Okay, in that case, what
bad.
I might do is just unplug this guy, and then we can just cut these straps
Okay.
on the front side, and then...
Okay.
So when I take on the other side, what are you looking on this side?
Sure.
Okay, 19?
Yes,
Guessing?
these ones are 19s. Yep.
I'm ready.
Ready? Okay, I'll head up top. And I'll actually need them.
Ready?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, now I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll want to try to get one end in first.
Okay. There it is. There? Okay, it's starting to get close. Space,
Yeah, and so then you can just leave a screwdriver stuck in there.
Okay. This is hard work. Eek, don't. Is it doing anything?
There you go. Now switch again.
Okay.
Now switch again.
Now we're ready to put everything back together, and we've got some stainless hardware here. There we go. It's in. So we put the anti-seize on there.
Yep, got the anti-seize.
Okay, those bolts are straight up on the funnel.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Hang it tight.
Perfect.
No, I think I could make something like this a full-time gig. It's a lot of fun. Is it gonna be your new career, Paul? No.
Yes, that will go on top of this meter head. I did not forget the ceiling.
Yeah.
Just kind of center it.
Just kind of
over top
center
of
it.
yeah.
Okay, so it's not gonna line up. This is sticker down. Okay. Okay. Perfect. That's how I like the sound of that. That looks pretty uncomfortable. Okay, now we are going to put this thing into place.
On the knee.
Okay.
One.
Oh man. Okay, and try that. Ready?
Yep.
I get under it more and stop getting stuck on things. That would be helpful. There we go.
And everything. Your work is easy.
Oh, no. The next part will be easy. That's what you said.
So it's all relative to what we had done previously.
That's true.
Flip it over. Perfect.
Alright, okay.
Please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and so that guy will just.
Just sits on there until we get up.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay. Nice little piece of Oh,
Good?
that was a good one.
Oh my goodness.
Did you lose it?
No, we're good.
Oh.
Specifically, my front.
There it goes.
Looking good.
So clean.
It goes fast once you get that old one out of
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
Yeah. That's the farm talk that
We've got a lot of.
those other competitor metering housings have bridging issues. So he told me don't try one of them.
Oh yeah. Yep. All stainless upgrades definitely are not made the same.
Yeah, yeah. So we got the good one here.
All right. Yep. We're gonna push this piece all the way through.
Yep.
To reach the other side. What is this called?
That is the drive shaft.
That's the drive shaft. Okay. Thanks for that. That was super
down
duper
a little
helpful.
bit, down to your right.
Oh, thank you. Whew, that's all I needed.
Okay.
May I ask, are you guys the only crew that's going around doing these?
It's kind of, no, we're not.
But we're the best.
We're the best,
Well, yeah,
clearly.
but,
So this has been a really good experience. I've had a lot of fun. Learning about the product, understanding how it goes together and all the pieces and everything, and then knowing how to take it apart too. This has been a lot of fun, and I really hope they let me come out in the field more often.
I am greasing the meter housing so that everything runs
We're going to
nice
see it on business
and
sale.
smooth and greasy.
There you go. That's fine.
Greasy. I don't know why
Yeah, those are always fun.
you need a light on the front of a grease gun. I didn't know I needed that at all, but now I know I do.